Oh guys, look what do we have over here. Now honestly, I was totally not expecting Asus to make a comeback in the tablet market in 2026. But look at this, we have their all new tablet guys called the Asus Pad, and it actually packs like interesting spec and hardware on board. Today in this video we're gonna unbox it and I'll be giving you like an exclusive first hands-on at this product, and I'll share like detailed review and feedback on this product, so make sure to watch it till the end. And best part is we got our hands on even before the launch in India. The launch is happening on 6th of August. I'll try to leave all the details in the description box as well as in this video. And guys, as I've told you, main highlights are this is a 12.2 inches tablet that packs like a 2.8K high resolution 144Hz OLED display, and you're also getting like quad speakers on board with Dolby Atmos. Other spec and hardware are also like very interesting, and we'll talk about the pricing details also in this video. On that note, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for such exclusive content. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Asus Pad came in this sort of packaging. Now packaging definitely looks pretty big guys. I mean, look at the size of this box. On the front you can check out the picture of the product, says Asus Pad as well. We've got the Dolby Atmos branding, and that is pretty much it. Now going to the back side, here you'll find all the spec details and all of its highlights. We'll anyhow talk about all the features in a moment, right? So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And by the way, this tab will be available in like different variants guys, memory variants as well, like 8 plus 128, 8 plus 256 as well. We have the 8 plus 256 GB edition. At the top side there's an accessory box over here, and let me tell you, our particular variant comes bundled with a carry case in the package guys. And there you go, here's how the carry case for the tablet looks like. Entirely white finish to match up with the tablet's color. Keeping that aside, right, here's our brand new Asus tab, came nicely packed like this, and I believe the color variant we have is called as a pure white edition. Along with that, in the package you're also getting some accessories, which includes like a 45 watt USB-C power adapter and a Type-C to Type-C cable for the adapter, and that is pretty much it. These were all the items you got in the package. What I'll do is I'll quickly give you like a closer look at the tablet and give you like a complete overview on the design, build quality, and buttons and ports, everything. The Asus Pad has a premium look and feel guys. I mean, look at the whole design over here. Definitely feels quite rich and elegant for this price point. And if you talk about the whole thickness and profile, right, it has a very slim and lightweight profile. Look at the thickness of the tab from the side over here. Thickness is only around 6.5 mm, and if you talk about the weight, right, weight of the tab is also only around like 523 grams. So the tab is actually quite lightweight and travel friendly is what I can say. You can easily throw it in your backpack and take it around anywhere. Starting off from the front profile, you're getting a 12.2 inches 2.8K high resolution dual layer OLED display on board, that too with up to 144Hz refresh rate. Even the bezels also look quite slim from our initial look. There is nothing on the front side. Going to the top here, you can check out there's a front camera, which I believe is a 5 megapixel camera. Now going over to the right profile, here you'll find some buttons which include a power button and a volume rocker just below that. Quality of the buttons is also nice, definitely feel tactile and clicky. Not to forget, the tablet also has like a micro SD card slot, so yes, the storage on it is expandable, easily using a micro SD up to 1 TB. Going out to the top side, here you'll find you're getting 2 speaker cutouts. So basically the tab comes equipped with like quad speakers, 2 at the top side, 2 on the bottom profile, and even supports like Dolby Atmos guys with a 360-degree cinematic sort of sound. There is nothing on the left profile, and here's how the bottom profile looks like. I've told you, right, you're also getting 2 speakers on the bottom profile and a USB-C port at the center. So that's it. These are all the available connectivity ports and buttons on this tablet, and I haven't told you about the build quality, right? Good build quality is what I can say. So entire body has like a all metal unibody design made of like magnesium and aluminum combination guys, and definitely feels quite sturdy and durable. Have a look at the back profile as well. I believe this back of the body is made of like fiberglass material, but good thing is it doesn't seem to attract fingerprints that easily, so less maintenance you'll have to do. And to the top left area, this is where you can check out the camera layout. So basically you're getting like a 13 megapixel camera at the back side with an LED flash. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly put on the case on this tablet and let me give you like a closer look and show how it looks like. Now carry case also has like a similar cream sort of color to match up with the entire white finish of the tablet, and good thing is the front flap of this case can be folded in like 4 different ways, so you can actually use it like a stand for the tablet guys. Super useful useful and handy is what I can say. Well, that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors, design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, set it up and then continue the video. So there you go boys, our tab is all set up and here's how the home screen on the Asus pad looks like. Now out of the box experience has been pretty decent, I can say. No bloatware, no unnecessary apps, nothing like that. Very clean and minimal operating system is what I can say. Quickly heading over to the settings, here are all the different settings you can access. In the display section, right, you got plenty of stuff. Adaptive brightness, HDR enhancement is also there. You've got wallpaper customization, lock screen customization, and here's the storage section. I've told you, right, our particular edition comes with like 256 GB of storage. You do have a base variant which comes with 128 GB, totally up to you. Not to forget that the storage is also expandable using a micro SD card. So that's it, our complete overview on the home screen, the operating system and UI. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some demo videos over here, just have a look at that, and then we'll talk about the overall display and built-in speakers performance. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, this tablet comes with a large 12.2 inches 2.8K high resolution 144Hz dual layer OLED display. In fact, I've been using this tablet for the last couple of days. I've told you, right, I've got the tablet even before the launch and binged watched variety of content, guys. Not just like simple videos on YouTube, but even like OTT apps like Netflix and Prime Video. And overall experience has been really good, guys. I mean, Asus has not compromised in the display section over here. Very fine quality display. You're getting 2.8K resolution at 12.2 inches, which is roughly around like 2800 by 1840. Excellent amount of detail, guys. No matter what sort of content you're watching, all the text is like easily readable, super sharp detail and great clarity is what I can say. And coming to the colors, now this is an OLED panel, guys, and there is nothing less you can expect over here. In fact, it supports up to like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range. So colors look very vivid, rich and quite vibrant on this panel, guys. You're gonna be blown away, especially if you're watching the HDR content on this tablet. Viewing angles are also great. Picture looks the same no matter from which area you're looking at. And coming to the brightness, right, brightness is one of the main highlight of this panel. So the typical brightness value is around like 580-600 nits, but the peak brightness value can easily hit up to like 2000 nits. It's a super bright display and I had no issues checking out this display in most of the situation. See, on the overall, for the price that you're paying, right, you're gonna be like super happy and satisfied with the display you're getting on this tablet. Keeping that aside and talking about the speakers, so this tablet comes with like quad speakers, two on the left profile, two on the right profile, each of them 1 watt and can totally produce around like 4 watts of audio output. And yes, you're also getting like Dolby Atmos support along with 360 cinematic surround sound experience. See, overall audio quality is very good. I've watched variety of content, either it be like YouTube videos or even movies, right? Great experience. Vocal clarity is also nice. All the dialogues are like crisp, easily audible and understandable, and treble performance is also good. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, I wish the audio output was slightly louder. Apart from that, everything else is fine. Now, keeping all the nitty-gritty stuff aside, let's actually move on and get to the main aspect of the tablet. How's the overall performance? Because this is something you people have been waiting for, right? But first of all, let me tell you about the whole hardware spec and configuration. This tablet is available in like 2 different editions. You get like 8+128 and 8+256. We have the 8+256 GB edition. Talking about the CPU, Asus pad is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8300 octa-core chipset. On board, you're getting like fixed RAM, guys. No matter which edition you go for, you're getting 8 GB LPDDR5X RAM. And the storage that you're getting, either it be 128 or 256, is UFS 3.1 storage. And yes, it is also expandable using a micro SD card. So I've been testing this tab for the last couple of days for my day-to-day activities, doing a bit of office-related works, productivity, running like multiple apps on Chrome, and at the same time watching videos on YouTube. Overall experience has been pretty fine, and I had like a smooth experience only. Not only that, even navigating on the home screen, opening and closing of the apps, whole transitions, everything feel nice. And added to that, you're also getting like 144Hz refresh rate on the display, right? So buttery smooth experience is what I can say. I've told you, right, the tab is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8300 octa-core chipset. Though not the most powerful chipset you might actually find on a tab at this price point, but still well capable and decently powerful chip is what I can say. See, for your day-to-day activities, entertainment, media consumption, or even productivity, right, it is more than sufficient and will get your job done. And coming to gaming, I know you people have questions regarding the gaming performance, right? But nothing like that. Dimensity 8300 is a very well capable chipset, guys, and can easily handle most of your favorite AAA games, no hassles at all. Not just games like Asphalt, but you can even play games like BGMI and Genshin Impact also at high graphics profile and still get like a consistent 50-55 FPS. I mean, look at this. To give you like a small demo, right now we're running Genshin Impact compact. And quickly going to the settings, you can have a look at the graphic profiles as well, set to high profile and 60 fps enabled in the settings. And as you can see, overall gameplay feels nice and stable, and despite playing for like 20-25 minutes also, gaming performance was nice and very well optimized tab is what I can say. Though I would have really appreciated if the brand could have gone for Qualcomm's platform, maybe use something like Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 on this tablet, because for native Android gaming, Dimensity will easily get your job done. But there are a lot of people who usually do like emulation on tablets, that is the reason they buy powerful tabs. And for emulation purpose, Snapdragon platform is more optimized and offers much better performance compared to this particular chipset. One more question you people might ask is, does the tablet support like a stylus pen? Yes, the tablet does support stylus pen input, but unfortunately in the package we did not get any stylus pen included, guys, so you'll have to buy that optional. I believe this tablet supports their Asus pen stylus, guys. I'll try to leave more details in the description box below. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. This tab comes with a 9000 mAh lithium polymer battery on board, and battery life is decent. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 55-60%, you're checking mails, doing office related works, day-to-day activities, maybe watching some videos on YouTube, and with these sort of activities, right, you can easily get around like 9 to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. But if you're like a heavy user, you're using the tablet for like creativity, using that stylus a lot, set the brightness around like 75%, and also game in a bit, right, then you'll only get around like 5 to 6 hours of battery life. Well, that's it guys, time to wrap it up. That was our detailed video on the all new Asus Pad 2026. If you all found this video informative, definitely make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the launch date, right? So this tab is launching on 6th August in Indian market, and the base variant, which is 8 plus 128GB model, costs around like 45,990 rupees, and the 256GB edition costs around 49,990 rupees. What do you people think about the pricing? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you all in my next one.